got a 2021 BMW M340i M package on it. Really beautiful car, twin turbo. What we got done on it, there's a factory downpipe, then it duals out the back, as you guys can see on each side, there and there. Then we did a rear muffler delete right there and right there. And then these come with a valve that opens and closes. So we just tack it to the side of the pipe, as you guys can see there. Keep it plugged in so the car thinks it's still there and doesn't throw any check engine lights. You gotta make sure it stays plugged in, because we did it without it being plugged in and the light came on for it. So make sure you guys do this to it. This is the old muffler that was on it. It comes dual in right there, and the valve was on that side. That's why you see it cut. That's what it looks like on this side. But that's the original muffler. It's huge. We just took it off. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. When you go down the road, they'll probably marvel. It's probably not as... This is in normal mode. Eco or whatever. Again. Right at sport mode, guys. Again. 109. Awesome. Go ahead and back it out. Sounds good, man. It's loud. If you put that downpipe like you're saying, it's gonna get crazy loud. But yeah, wait for the horn, just in case. This sounds so good. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. Sounds so good.